Red Tea Detox Review. Green tea has long been acknowledged for its health and wellness advantages, consisting of weight loss assistance. The proof is irrefutable. However, are we ignoring something much better? It holds true that green tea includes powerful antioxidants. These elements contribute to reducing health dangers such as cancer and heart disease. As a weight reduction expert, it has actually been my main objective to share useful ideas and techniques for those pursuing optimum health. In supporting my commitment to openness, I am about to expose how green tea, although beneficial, is gradually declining in the light of its tasty competitor Rooibos. Rooibos, also known as red tea, is similarly high in antioxidants, however sourced from various substances to that of green tea. The antioxidants contained in Rooibos, aspalathin and nothofagin are comparatively uncommon, and help to control blood sugar level, reduce excessive fat production, stress, and hinder metabolic conditions. After the outcomes of current studies, together with my own findings connected to the significant players in sustainable weight loss, I consider red tea vital. In addition to preventing heart disease, diabetes, Alzheimer's and more, it is an available and efficient answer to weight gain. This year I began the production of my red tea detox. A main goal was to harness the incredible benefits of Rooibos whilst integrating the component with a number of other, equally important elements. Rooibos indicates red bush. The plant is readily offered, with leaves that turn red upon fermentation. With so much capacity to assist with our health and health journeys, I considered it wrong to disregard the strength of the plant. Unlike green tea, red tea does not consist of caffeine, and for that reason drinking the blend during the night will not leave you uneasy. Another factor of its ultimate superiority is merely taste. The bitterness of green tea is frequently attributed to its high tannin content, which is less widespread in red tea. Numerous health products do not aim to bridge the gap between adults and young children, however, the pursuit of health is of equivalent value for both demographics. Which is why I have actually developed a recipe that caters to any ages and tastes, with the inclusion of a sweetened version of the recipe. About the Red Tea Detox. The Red Tea Detox is a brand new cleaning program that detoxifies the body and sheds pounds quickly and securely. It permits nearly anyone to lose 14 pounds in simply a matter of weeks. Based upon more than a decade of research covering over 500 medical studies in addition to practically 3 years of real-world testing, this program has the outcomes and the science to back it up. Liz Swan Miller, creator of the Red Tea Detox, is a 6-time very popular author with over 10 years of experience as a practicing naturopath, ND. She discovered the distinct recipe for this energizing tea, the foundation of the program, throughout her journeys deep into the heart of Africa. And most importantly, the components are so typical they can be found in virtually any shop. Recreated here for the very first time in the Western world, the Red Tea Detox passes on the recipe for this incredible tea in the kind of a completely digital item, making it available to clients immediately. This thorough book is broken down into 3 various areas. Diet. This portion of the Red Tea Detox outlines the importance of detoxifying the body before weight loss efforts, why toxic substances can hold your metabolic process back, and the general advantages of a red tea cleansed system for both the body and mind. What's more, it outlines in detail which energy-rich foods can assist your burn fat faster than ever in the past. Workout. The workout section is designed to match the diet plan part of the Red Tea Detox. It consists of a range of supercharged workouts that will assist melt body fat even much faster. Coupled with the metabolism-boosting diet plan, these fast and effective regimens have the potential to nearly double the weight loss outcomes. Self-control, motivation, and mindset. This third section looks into a few of the most common misconceptions about self-control and how genuinely comprehending the underlying truths of inspiration can transform your weight loss and your life. It's a vital part of this program and, for numerous, has helped them slim down fast and keep it off for excellent. These 3 components combined develop among the most comprehensive and user-friendly detoxification programs to date. People all over the world are already utilizing it to lose weight rapidly and easily while living a much healthier and better life along with the method. Benefits of the Red Tea Detox formula. There is no modification of your normal routine to engage in any difficult and vigorous workouts in order to lose weight. Lots of people hate this, particularly if their weight is way up there. Red tea, then, is your way out. It functions as normal breakfast and does not require additional supplements, as the tea itself acts as the source of energy to bring you throughout the whole day. Functions quick and works. Sometimes we have seen herbal detox formulations being recommended for an extended time period for it to work. This is not the case with red tea. Body changes are evident within the first few days and you can lose approximately 14 pounds in 2 weeks. Red tea does not have caffeine and other addictive compounds, and this makes it best for anybody despite their age and preferences. The tea has a terrific taste and it does not leave any tension in the mouth, hence one does not have to stress over the taste. The tea likewise detoxifies the body, indicating that it helps cleanse the body systems, permitting one to have better resistance against disease such as cancer and other conditions. Finally, a few of the essential active ingredients contains phytochemicals that work on the brain to enhance its health and fight off stress. These improve the general health and lowers the danger of stress-activated habits such as overeating. Our verdict. Red tea has gotten the approval of many individuals across the world. Its performance and accessibility makes it all the very best option for anyone seeking to shed some weight without much hustle. Get it for yourself and you will be impressed by the outcomes. If I will rate the red tea detox on how effective it is, I can say it is 9/10. If you are interested in buying the red tea detox, just click the first link in the description.